How did Dr. Dolittle's ability to understand animals make him a better doctor than others? Dr. Dolittle became a better doctor than others because he could understand animals in their own language. While most vets guessed what was wrong, he listened directly to the animals' problems. This helped him treat them more accurately and kindly. His gentle behavior and caring nature made animals trust him. Unlike other doctors who treated animals like objects, Dolittle respected them. This special ability to listen, understand, and speak to animals made him a unique and a successful doctor in the eyes of both animals and people. Describe Dr. Dolittle's relationship with Polynesia and how it helped him in his new career. Dr. Dolittle and Polynesia, the parrot, shared a close and trusting bond. She was not just his pet but also his mentor and guide. Polynesia revealed that animals have their own languages and offered to teach him bird language. With her help, Dolittle learned to speak to animals and understand their needs. She encouraged him to become an animal doctor when people stopped visiting him. Polynesia's guidance, wisdom, and support helped Dr. Dolittle find a new purpose in life and become successful in treating animals. What does the story of Dr. Dolittle teach us about kindness and compassion? The story of Dr. Dolittle teaches that kindness and compassion can create a better world for both humans and animals. Dr. Dolittle cared deeply for animals and treated them with respect and love. He didn't harm them, ignore their feelings. Instead, he listened to them, understand their pain, and found ways to help. This earned him trust and fame. His example shows that treating all living beings with care, regardless of whether they speak our language or not, leads to peace, happiness, and meaningful relationships. How did Dr. Dolittle's house change after he became an animal doctor? Dr. Dolittle's house changed completely after he became an animal doctor. It was filled with animals of all kinds: cats, dogs, horses, birds, monkeys, and even crocodiles. Each animal had its own space and needs. Dr. Dolittle made special arrangements to treat them and even installed separate doors for different animals. His house became a place of comfort and care for creatures. Although it looked unusual to people, for the animals, it was a safe and welcoming home where they were treated with love and respect. Why do you think people stopped trusting Dr. Dolittle initially, and how did that change later? People stopped trusting Dr. Dolittle at first because he kept too many animals in his house. They found it strange and didn't want to visit a doctor who cared more for animals than humans. As a result, he lost his human patients. But later, when he became an animal doctor and word spread that he could talk to animals and cure them, he gained fame and respect. People appreciated his skills and animals loved him. His dedication and kindness helped him win back people's trust.